Oh, okay.
But have to, yeah,
Different
different
like
sound, yeah.
meanings or sounds.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like if you hear the sound loud, but the tempo the beat is slow,
Yeah.
the sound that sign for the getter or for the starting ceremony in the temple.
Mm.
But if the sound loud and the beat tempo is fast,
Yeah.
the sign for the emergency.
Ah. Okay. And is that every single temple that has that?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
But until now, we still use this for keeping the tradition.
Mm.
But for communication, we also use WhatsApp.
Yeah. Fair. Yeah. That makes sense.
Going to Batam, have a beautiful view from here.
Mm. Okay.
Can we go there?
That's the Alpa. Alpa.
Oh, I see him. Go be wary of him. Right.